Okay guys, here's the skinny. In 6 days time, I'm back off to America. So let's get one last dinner by Dyson before I fly, and then we can get on to filming more travel vlogs. Yay! Hi guys, Cowley here for Shun Chow, the channel where we try and cook recipes on a budget and try not to be too jealous of how good Lewis Capaldi is. I mean, I just don't get how he can be so talented and funny at the same time, and now he's going to be making mad bank. I'm not jealous, you're jealous. Okay, if you're new to this channel, this is how Dinner by Dice works. I've got a challenge here, I've got to cook a meal according to the criteria, and then I've got some dice here. I've got a D6, so on an odd number I have to cook it either vegetarian or vegan, and then if I've got an even number I'm allowed to cook with meat. I've got a D12, that's how many portions I need to cook, and then I've got a D20, that's how much I'm allowed to spend overall. So say for example I get 18, that's £18 I'm allowed to spend. Easy. Okay, and this week's challenge is cheat day. Just says cheat day. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I rolled a 16, which means I've got £16 overall. I rolled a 4 for portions, and I rolled a 6, which means I get to cook with meat. Okay, so we've got our challenge, and enjoy this lovely footage while I just run to the store. I don't know what I'm going to put here just yet, but let's hope it's funny.
Why? What are you doing? No!
Okay, we're back from the store, and today we're going to be making a burger because I haven't done one on this channel before. So this burger is called a Juicy Lucy. It originates from Minnesota, and it's basically a patty stuffed with cheese. We're also going to add in jalapenos. We've got two different types of cheese. We've got cheddar and mozzarella, and then we're going to add some caramelized onions on top, a nice fresh crisp salad to go on the bottom, and then we're also going to serve it with a Jaffa cake milkshake, perfect for throwing at your local burger as well as drinking. This burger starts with beef mince. Normally I cook with about 5% fat. For this one however we've gone for 12, just so that it gets that little bit more juicy, and well, it's cheat day, you know? And we're going to add that to a bowl with some salt, pepper, some garlic granules and some chipotle paste, bring it all together and then make it to the base of our patties. We're going to make our patties by creating the base layer first using the cookie cutter, and then we're going to add the cheese on top and then stuff into the top the rest of the patty so it kind of crimps itself in. Make sure the edges are thicker than the middle of the burger, that way you get a nice even cook. Okay, now that our burgers are ready to go, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them to a searingly hot pan and then, well, sear them on both sides for about 2 minutes each side, and then we're going to pop them into the oven at about 150 degrees, and then we're just going to let them bake for about 8 minutes. Okay, so it's just a smidge smoky in here. What I'm going to do now is, while those burgers are cooking, I'm going to sweat off our onions, get them really nice and caramelised before adding in brown sugar and pepper, and then deglazing the pan with a little bit of vinegar and just letting them get really sweet and really Moorish to go on the top of our burgers. Okay, we're almost done with the cooking process. Last thing to do is to toast our brioche buns in the same pan, that way they absorb all those delicious juices, and then we're going to move on to the milkshake before we assemble the rest of the burger. Okay, and last thing, the milkshakes. For that, we're just going to combine milk, a whole bunch of Jaffa cakes, and a couple of scoops of ice cream. For all the weights and measurements for all the ingredients in this list, as well as a step-by-step, check out the description and go through to studentchow.org.uk. Okay, we're done. We just need to put the burger together. I've cut up a little bit of fresh salad. What I'm going to do is add a little squidge of sriracha mayo as well on the bottom, and then we'll stack the burger on top of that, and it's just going to be so good. Oh, look at that, perfect melt. Very, very pleased with that. But of course, the only true test is how it tastes, so cheers. Oh, that spice with that kind of like really tart taste of that mature cheddar, combined with that mozzarella, just and you can even taste a little bit of sweetness from the onions as well. And then of course there's the milkshake. Oh heck yeah. Nice and sweet that. And really citrusy. Nice combination between the vanilla and the Jaffa cake gelatin. But that's all we've got time for today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you fancy helping to support this channel, you might want to give us a quick donation on Patreon. And until then, see you next time. Be safe.